Hello, this is Phil with Applegate Bushcraft Survival and Prospecting. We're out again for another day of mushroom picking in my yellow chanterelle patches. I haven't checked this patch yet, so I'm hoping there would be some better luck here, since I've only got about a pound of mushrooms on each trip. Later in the season they should be coming on better, and it has rained in the last few days, so hopes are high. Well, I can see someone's been checking for mushrooms here. It looks like they may have even found some. I see. Well, there's one there. Okay. Looks like I might have a nice day today. Well, there's a nice cluster right there. Oh yeah, look at those. Nice big ones. Excellent. We're getting some good little clusters here. Now when you're in the pine needle patches, you need to pretty much look for the little bumps, and you will find mushrooms. Well, not a bad haul for my first 10 minutes of picking. Now there's a big shrimp right there. Oh, look at it, look at that. Look at that. See, it's good to have your magic picking stick that will help you find the mushrooms. We'll see if there's any mushrooms down in here. Usually I find a couple here every year. Looks like someone found one right there. That's not a chanterelle. Boy, there's a beauty. Nice little cluster. And this is why I love pine needle patches. That bump looks very suspicious to me. Oh, Not what I want. Nope. Those are nasty mushrooms. The dreaded lactarius. Well, looks like I got my gallon for the day. This is Pipsissewa. This is one of the herbs that I forage for my own personal medicinal use. This bag full here should be enough to last me until spring. When the morels start popping, I've got Pipsissewa patches up by where I pick my morels near Jacksonville. So I will get more then. Otherwise, I would pick a year's supply. Thank you for watching. This is Phil with Applegate Bushcraft Survival and Prospecting. Have a good one.